Hey everyone! If you're into planning, journaling, crafting, or just love organizing with style, you're going to love this. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best sticker printers that are portable, easy to use, and super fun. Let's jump right into it. At number 5, we have the PRT sticker printer. The PRT sticker printer is a compact and versatile portable thermal printer designed to enhance productivity in both learning and everyday tasks. Utilizing thermal printing technology, this mini printer operates without the need for ink, delivering clear and precise prints efficiently. Its snap and print feature allows users to quickly capture and print content, streamlining workflows and supporting better organization. Lightweight and easily portable, the PRT sticker printer is ideal for users on the move, providing the convenience of printing whenever and wherever needed. The device pairs seamlessly with a dedicated free app that offers a variety of customizable templates. This app simplifies the printing process by enabling users to print photos directly from their phones, capture images of handwritten notes or incorrect answers, and produce clear labels with just a single click, making it especially useful for students managing study materials or professionals organizing information. Beyond academic use, this label maker supports a wide range of applications. It can create memo labels, shopping lists, storage tags, as well as print QR codes, barcodes, and pictures, adapting easily to different scenarios at home, school, or work. The printer connects wirelessly via Bluetooth, ensuring a smooth and straightforward pairing with smartphones or tablets without complex setup procedures. Additionally, it features automatic paper recognition, enhancing user experience by reducing manual adjustments. The PRT sticker printer incorporates a Type-C charging interface, which facilitates quick and convenient recharging. Its long battery life ensures continuous operation throughout the day. Combining portability, ease of use, and multifunctional capabilities, this thermal sticker printer serves as a practical tool for efficient labeling, organizing, and printing needs in various environments. Next up, at number 4, we have the Anycash S1 sticker printer. The Anycash S1 sticker printer redefines portable printing with its compact, lightweight design that fits effortlessly into your pocket. This mini thermal printer is tailored for on-the-go use, enabling quick and convenient printing of tickets, labels, and various other thermal prints whenever and wherever needed. Its portability ensures you can tackle printing tasks without the hassle of bulky equipment. One standout feature of the Anycash S1 is its unique capability to print stickers, supported by 3 rolls of stickers included with the device. This function allows users to personalize items, capture memories, and bring creative ideas to life in sticker form, all within seconds. Whether it's for labeling, decorating, or crafting, the printer transforms simple printing into a vibrant, creative activity. Utilizing inkless thermal printing technology, the Anycash S1 eliminates the need for ink cartridges, simplifying maintenance and reducing ongoing costs. Paired with the Luck Jingle app, it offers a seamless user experience that lets you design and print stickers directly from your mobile device. This integration empowers users to turn favorite photos, notes, or designs into tangible stickers instantly. Beyond functionality, the Anycash S1 boasts a charming and cute design, making it an appealing gadget that adds an element of fun to the printing process. Its aesthetic not only attracts users, but also encourages creativity, making sticker printing an enjoyable activity for individuals of all ages. Taking the 3rd spot is the XenGro AH-M2 sticker printer. The XenGro AH-M2 sticker printer is a versatile and compact device designed to bring convenience and creativity to your everyday printing needs. This all-in-one mini printer serves multiple purposes, whether you want to organize your daily tasks, print study notes, decorate journals, craft DIY cards, or even print memorable photos. Its pocket-sized design makes it a handy companion for both work and leisure, fitting effortlessly into your bag or pocket. Using advanced thermal printing technology, the XenGro AH-M2 produces sharp, high-resolution black and white prints without the need for ink, avoiding mess and hassle. It prints smoothly on self-adhesive sticker paper as well as regular thermal paper, including colorful rolls, expanding your options for creative projects. The printer comes preloaded with a roll of white sticker paper and includes 3 additional rolls, allowing users to start printing immediately and explore different styles. Setting up the printer is straightforward with Bluetooth connectivity. Compatible with iOS and Android devices, it works seamlessly through the FunnyPrint app. Users simply download the app, power on the device, connect via Bluetooth, and begin printing. The app provides several creative tools, including drag and zoom, OCR, customizable templates, text editing, and a variety of fun stickers to personalize your prints. Its lightweight and compact nature make the XenGro AH-M2 perfect for printing on the go, whether at school, the office, while traveling, or even at the gym. The printer's cute, toy-like design adds a playful touch, making it an enjoyable gadget for people of all ages. It's an excellent choice for students, planners, scrapbookers, or anyone passionate about printing photos and stickers creatively. This mini printer transforms everyday moments into tangible, personalized prints, blending utility with fun and artistic expression. Coming in at number 2 is the Nelko PM230 sticker printer. The Nelko PM230 sticker printer is a compact and versatile device designed to meet various labeling and printing needs. Equipped with 3 rolls of 54mm by 3.5mm white thermal sticker paper, it allows users to easily cut printouts into labels of any desired shape and size using simple scissors. This makes it suitable for personal and office use alike. Although the printer produces black and white prints only, its high-quality printing capabilities ensure clear, sharp images and text. The design is particularly child-friendly, with a small, cute appearance and eye-protective printing technology, making it ideal for educational and recreational use by kids. Connecting the PM230 to your smartphone is straightforward through Bluetooth, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Users need to download the dedicated Nelko app from their App Store to operate the printer. The app offers a wide range of template resources and features such as AI printing, OCR, scanning, and document printing, enabling instant printing of photos, study materials, to-do lists, and more. While the printer itself is not a camera, its scanning function helps produce clear graphics, supporting efficient learning and productivity. This multifunctional mini printer fits seamlessly into everyday life and professional environments. Whether printing customized bookmarks, greeting cards, journals, business plans, or memos, the Nelko PM230 enhances organization and creativity. It is also a thoughtful gift option for holidays such as Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, suitable for family and friends who appreciate practical and innovative gadgets. Its one-click printing feature adds convenience by saving time and effort, further elevating its appeal for diverse users. And finally, our top pick, the Niimbot B21 Pro sticker printer. The Niimbot B21 Pro sticker printer is a remarkable advancement in the realm of portable label makers, designed to bring clarity and creativity to your labeling tasks. This upgraded model features a high-resolution printing capability of 300 dpi, which significantly enhances the sharpness of printed text and images. With this level of precision, even smaller fonts and detailed photos come out crisp and clear, making it ideal for both professional and personal use. One of the standout features of the B21 Pro is its seamless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to easily pair the device with their smartphones or tablets. This wireless convenience simplifies the process of designing and printing labels, making it a quick and efficient solution. The accompanying mobile app offers a diverse range of free fonts, icons, and borders, empowering users to customize labels with a variety of styles and themes to suit different needs. Beyond basic text, the Niimbot B21 Pro supports printing photo labels, adding a unique and personalized touch to your stickers. Whether you want to label office supplies, organize household items, or create decorative stickers, this printer caters to various creative applications. The app interface is user-friendly, enabling the editing and printing of custom labels in under 1 minute, streamlining productivity. Compact and portable, the Niimbot B21 Pro is a handy device for those who value clarity, customization, and efficiency in label printing. Its advanced features and easy-to-use design make it a versatile tool that fits perfectly into modern workflows, whether for organizing, crafting, or professional labeling tasks.